Stuck deciding between Vscode and Vim for your AI-powered coding journey? First, let's explore Vscode's strengths. Its user-friendly interface is a major win, especially for beginners. Notice the built-in IntelliSense providing real-time code completion and error detection. Vscode's vast extension marketplace is a game-changer for AI development. You can easily install extensions like Python for language support, Pylons for enhanced IntelliSense, and GitHub Copilot for AI-powered code suggestions. Just search, click install, and you're ready to go. Now, let's dive into Vim. Vim is known for its efficiency and keyboard-centric approach. With plugins like Conquer of Completion or You Complete 'em, you can supercharge Vim with similar AI capabilities like Vscode. Customization is where Vim truly shines. Edit your Vim file to tailor every aspect of your coding environment, from key bindings to color schemes. This level of control allows you to create a highly personalized and efficient coding experience. But choosing the right editor depends on your needs. Vscode offers a gentler learning curve and a wider selection of readily available extensions, while Vim requires more initial investment in learning and configuration. It provides unparalleled customization and speed. Once mastered, consider the table shown to choose what works best for you. So, which editor reigns supreme for AI development? Ultimately, it boils down to personal preference. Experiment with both, explore their AI capabilities, and decide which one best fits your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth coding comparisons.